CBS travel editor Peter Greenberg joining us live this morning. It's always great to have you, Peter. How are you doing today?
I'm hanging in.
Okay, good. All right. Just like the traveler that we spoke with said, water breaks seem to be happening more often, but we don't assume they'll happen at airports, especially in towers. What are your thoughts about what happened at O'Hare yesterday and what needs to be done to make sure it doesn't happen again?
Well, a water break is definitely a problem, but the system is set up for backup, and the system is set up for backup for other air traffic control facilities to help out. However, there has to be a better backup system in place so that they can go immediately as a switch, whether there's a power failure or a water break. The good news this morning is 48 delays at O'Hare. That's a good day. So they'll get back to normal relatively soon on that. But the bigger problem is, where's your backup system for any kind of disruption? They have the problem when you have a computer meltdown, a power failure, or in this case, a water break. All three can be handled with effective backup systems, but they've got to plan for it and install them soon.
Got it. About 1 in 8 Americans say that they've taken a GLP-1 to lose weight, and now a new study says it could save airlines over $500 million per year because airlines have been trying to shed weight to save fuel for, ever. So essentially, could this be the answer that airlines have been looking for?
Well, it's one answer. I go back about 15 years ago. You may remember the days when airlines had onboard magazines. And one of the airlines, American, said, we're going to take all the magazines off the plane because that weight savings will result in a fuel savings of over $1 million a year. That's exactly what's happening now in the brave new world of Ozempic travel. What are we seeing? A 10% drop in a passenger weight on average will result in about a 2% less fuel burn, which means a lower fuel cost. Now, with the airline, we're talking now anywhere from $500 million to $1 billion in savings. So here's the question everybody wants to know. Will the airlines pass those savings down to you? Of course not. However, here's some good news. You might finally be able to fit into those narrower, tighter seats.
Oh my goodness. I have to tell you, of course, why would they pass the cost down? But Peter, I never knew where those magazines went, and now I do. I honestly missed that. So I learned that today, and I, of course, learn everything, or a lot of new things from you. So one last question. You find some cheap plane tickets that look like a good deal, right? But then you see you have about an hour to make the connecting flight at your first destination. You wrote about this on your site, petergreenberg.com. So how unrealistic are these windows that airlines give to make a connection, and what length of time is optimal?
Well, they're not only unrealistic, they're absurd. I've seen times as little as 33 minutes between flights, and that presumes that not only your flight will be on time at the connecting airport, but that it's going to pull up right next to the gate of the second flight. That never happens.
Right.
You need to give yourself about a 2.5-hour time between flights, because if the first flight's late, then you're late and you're going to miss your connection. Now, here's some good news. United started something called the Connection Saver about 1.5 years ago. It's saving 2,000 connections a day. What is it? If they determine that the flight that you're connecting to doesn't connect to any other flight, and it's sort of like the last flight of the day and nobody's going to be abused by it, they'll hold the flight. Because let's face it, you don't want misconnected passengers and misconnected bags. It's a huge cost for everybody. Starting this June, American Airlines is starting a similar program where they'll actually text you if your incoming flight is late to let you know that you still have time to make that flight, because they might hold it for you as well. So there's some good news in that, because the airlines are finally starting to schedule more realistically. But in the meantime, Dylan, if you're going online to make a reservation and you see a connect time of anywhere less than 90 minutes, don't do it.
How'd you know that question was from our producer, Dylan? You just answered it for him. Thank you, Peter. By the way, where are you before I say sayonara?
In a very cold 5-degree New York City.
Oh, my goodness. Well, we've been there, and we're heading there again. So stay warm, be safe. CBS travel editor Peter Greenberg, thanks so much for joining me, as always, this morning, and we'll be right back.